Taffy, you ever smash the like button?
All the time, pal.
Hello there, my friends. All right, this is a good example of what I was talking about when you can use a sponge to smooth out this drywall. So this drywall has been applied this morning. It's not quite dry yet, but even if it were overnight, instead of sanding this and creating a dust cloud, and or you can take your scraper and scrape the raised bits off, you can do this with a scrubby sponge. You can just kind of lightly go over it like that, and you can smooth all this out if that's the effect you're going for. Now I want a little texture here, so I'm going to leave a lot of this, but I'm just showing you as an example how you can do this. There's no dust. I'm not kicking up any dust by doing this, right? And so this is definitely a usable technique if you don't want to have to create a negative airflow space and do all that kind of happy stuff. So yeah, there's a million ways to do this. If somebody out there has a better way than this, or if I'm not doing it right, to your satisfaction, you go ahead and tell me, and I'll listen to you, because I'm willing to change my mind and learn new techniques. I'm just some dude that is trying to fix up his house. I'm not a professional contractor. I just watch YouTube videos like everybody else and learn how to do stuff. Alright, well, that's all I got for you today, so I hope you guys have a great day. Smash the like for me, and see you on the next one. Thanks.
Taffy, you ever smash the like button?